I'll show you exactly how to move your money from Cash App to PayPal. Even though these two platforms are direct competitors and there isn't a single transfer button, I found 3 best workarounds to get your funds moved safely and as quickly as possible. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Before we dive in, there is one golden rule. Both your Cash App and PayPal accounts must be fully verified. If you haven't uploaded your ID to both platforms yet, your transfer might get flagged or delayed. The most efficient way to bridge the gap is by using your Cash App Visa debit card. This method skips the 3-day bank wait entirely. To begin, open your PayPal app and tap on Wallet. Tap the plus or link a card button. Choose Debit Card and enter your Cash App card details, which are the 16-digit number, CVV, and expiry date. Once the card is linked, go back to your PayPal home and tap Add Money. Select your Cash App card as the funding source, enter the amount, and the funds will pull directly from your Cash App balance into PayPal instantly. If you don't have a Cash Card, you'll need to use your bank account as a middleman. First, move the money from Cash App to your bank. Go to the Money tab in Cash App and tap Cash Out. Choose Standard for a free transfer that takes 1 to 3 business days. If you're in a hurry, you can choose Instant for a small fee, usually 0.5 to 1.75%, which sends the money to your bank in minutes. Once the money hits your bank account, open PayPal, go to your wallet, and select Add Money. Pull that same amount from your bank into your PayPal balance. While this is the most secure, free method, it can take up to 5 business days for all the transfers to clear. If you don't have a bank account linked, you can use a trusted friend's help. Send your balance from your Cash App to your friend's Cash App and have them send the equivalent amount to your PayPal email address. Make sure they send it as friends and family on PayPal. If they send it as goods and services, PayPal will take a 2.9% plus $0.30 fee out of your money. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.